Hi my friends, this is my channel for those who want to learn how to model parts and assemblies using computer-aided design. We will start by modeling 100 pieces that you see here that have been collected by me over many years. These are ordered from simple to complex. Each model is accompanied by the dimension technical drawing as presented here. All 100 parts are taken from the mechanical fields, but after their exhaustion, parts and assemblies from all fields are moved on. When you manage to model all these 100 parts, you will be able to say that you have mastered CAD modeling. Be sure of this.